If you've been on Telegram for a while, you probably noticed it keeps evolving. Well, now Telegram has something completely new, a crypto wallet built directly inside the app. It's called Crypto Wallet, and today I want to show you what it is, why it matters, and how simple it is even if you've never touched crypto before. Crypto Wallet lets you store, send, and grow your assets without leaving Telegram. There's no extra app to install, no complicated setup, and no seed phrases to write down. It's literally integrated into your messenger. You open Telegram, tape the wallet, and boom, you're in. You can buy popular assets like USDT, XLM, or even tokenized gold in just a few taps. One of the reasons this wallet is getting so much attention is because it's extremely beginner-friendly. Transfers between users are instant, right inside your chats. If you want to send someone USDT, you don't even need a wallet address. You can send it the same way you send a sticker or a voice note. And there's also an earn section where you can access bonus programs. For example, new users currently have access to a promotion that offers up to 333% APY on XLM. Crypto Wallet, the one I'm showing here, is a custodial wallet. This means the service handles key management for you. No seed phrases, no complexity. It's built for convenience and for people who want a simple entry point into crypto, especially in emerging markets where many users are trying crypto for the first time. Let me show you quickly how simple this is. You open Telegram, tap Wallet, choose the asset you want, and buy it. It literally took me less than 30 seconds to make my first transaction. The interface is clean, everything is written in simple language, and it's designed so anyone can use it, even if it's their first experience with crypto. If you want to explore it yourself, you can open Crypto Wallet inside Telegram or just use the link in the description.